A lot of you have been requesting me that no, I cannot speak. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you must have guessed already from the title of this video, it's gonna be the 5-minute makeup challenge. And before we begin this video, I wanted to apologize because I was not able to post from past so many days. And if you follow me on Instagram, you must have known the reason, but if you don't, I'll still tell you. It was because I lost my grandfather recently, and he was in the hospital. So we were in that hodgepodge from past 1.5 months, and it was a critical period for my family, so I had to be there for them. And I just got back from my natives like 2 days back, and I thought let's start filming, but it was a little difficult for me to get back in the schedule. But now that I'm back, I thought let's do a fun makeup challenge. So this 5-minute makeup challenge was in my head since a very long time, because a lot of you guys always keep on requesting that you guys want me to do a makeup video, but to be very honest, I'm not a makeup artist. And so this video was like a mediator, so you guys can also see me doing makeup, but actually I'm not doing makeup, So yeah, and I think I fared pretty well. Actually, I was really surprised how far I can push myself in like 5 minutes. It was too much fun and I panicked. So if you guys wanna see how I got whatever is there on my face, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have tied my hair up and I have washed my face. I moisturized my face and my lips long back. I do not know what look I'm going for. Maybe it will be a natural look, or I don't know. Obviously in 5 minutes I don't think I can do a full-blown eyeshadow smoky eye sort of a thing, but we'll try our best and try to look presentable. So yeah, let's get started. The time has started. I think I'm gonna use my BB cream and my concealer. That's what I always do. If you have not seen my everyday makeup challenge, not everyday makeup challenge, what am I saying? Everyday makeup routine, which I did like years ago, I feel. Not years ago, but I did it when I had just started my channel. And so if you guys like wanna watch that, you can. And I told you guys in that video that I mix my concealer and my BB cream together always. So let me first conceal my eyes. Guys, whatever I'm doing, that I'm doing like without mirror. So I should be given a Nobel Prize, I feel. I do not know if I am blending things properly, dude. Okay. Oof. I am running late. I have mixed concealer with it. And I'm gonna use my hands, to be very honest. I'm not gonna like, I think if I shut up, maybe I'll be able to do it faster. Have I put too much? I think I have. Oh my god. You can do it once, you can do it. How much time do I have? I have just 3 minutes left. Oh my god. I need a mirror. Why didn't I sit with a mirror here? Oh god. Guys, please forgive me. How dumb am I? How could I not sit with a mirror? I think my base is done. Let's quickly move on to my eyebrows, because that's my weak point. I need to look somewhere. I cannot do my brows without... Oh. Can I just lock my phone and the timer is still on, right? Yeah, the timer is still on. This is the worst brows I'm gonna make today. Oh, I don't want beauty face right now. Beauty face, beauty mode. much time do I have? Oof. Okay, I think my eyebrows are done. I'm gonna do mascara. Let's do lipstick. God. How much time? 43 seconds. I think I'm gonna do my highlight, or maybe I'll do my blush. Yeah, I'll do my blush. Seconds to go. Should I do? Okay, I'm scaring you guys. I just have 1 second left. Yeah, fine, I got it. Stop. I did so awfully, guys. I did not know this coming. Oh my god. Like, do I even look presentable? I don't know. You guys let me know. I legit panicked, to be very honest. I should have thought this through, but then I thought, what's the fun if I actually think what I'm gonna do, and you know what I mean. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do, and I would love to do them for you guys. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. Okay, so I have tied my hair up and not switched off the AC, bruh. I don't wanna get a